To fix Apple Pay services are currently unavailable issue. First, understand that this error occurs when Apple Pay is unable to process transactions due to various reasons such as server issues, network problems, or configuration errors. Start by checking the Apple System status page to see if there are any outages or maintenance being performed on Apple Pay services. If there is an issue, wait for some time and try again later. Next, ensure your device is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can prevent Apple Pay from functioning correctly. Try restarting your router or switching to a different network to resolve the issue. Then, check your Apple Pay settings to ensure that the service is enabled and configured correctly. Go to the Wallet app, select the card you want to use, and check if it is active and has sufficient funds. Also, verify that your card information is up to date and that the card has not been reported lost or stolen. Another possible reason for the error is that your device's operating system or Apple Pay app may be outdated. Make sure to update your device to the latest version of iOS and ensure that the Wallet app is updated as well. Additionally, try restarting your device to resolve any software glitches that may be causing the issue. This can often resolve connectivity and configuration problems. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, try removing and re-adding the card to the Wallet app. This can help to refresh the connection between the card and Apple Pay. Finally, if you are still experiencing issues, contact your bank or card issuer to verify that there are no problems with your account or card. You can also reach out to Apple support for further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the Apple Pay services or currently unavailable issue and get back to using the service without any problems. Remember to always keep your device and apps updated, and to monitor the Apple System status page for any outages or maintenance.